Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open a web browser and go to My Account. Google. To access Google account. Sign in with your Google email and current password if prompted. Select Security from the left menu to manage passwords and devices. Scroll to Password Manager and click it to view saved passwords and recent sign-ins. To reveal any saved password, click the eye icon and authenticate with your device method. Authentication requires your device PIN, fingerprint, or current password for protection. Do not share the revealed password with others or copy it to public notes. In Password Manager, click Password Checkup to scan for weak or compromised passwords. The tool highlights reused, weak, or breached credentials and lists affected sites. For any compromised password, click Change or Edit and update the password on the website. Create a unique password with at least 12 characters or a memorable passphrase. Change compromised passwords immediately and avoid reusing passwords across sites. After updating, enable two-step verification for added security on that account. This reduces the chance of unauthorized access even if a password is exposed. Review recently used devices in the security section and sign out of any unfamiliar devices immediately. Choose Sign Out to remotely close that device session and reset access where necessary. Use a reputable password manager to store unique passwords and generate strong ones automatically. Create passwords or passphrases of at least 12 characters with mixed words and symbols for better security. Set or confirm your recovery phone number and email to regain access quickly if you lose your password. Finally, keep two-factor methods updated and test recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.